Gold prices are breaking records again in 2025, from touching historic highs to experts hinting it could reach 1 lakh for 8 grams. Everyone is talking about gold. But is this rally just hype or is there still more shine left in gold? In 2025, gold has been unstoppable, gaining nearly 53% year on year and trading close to $3,800 per ounce globally. In India, prices over near 1,12,000 per 10 grams, and for many investors, gold has beaten not just inflation but even stock returns. So, what's driving this rally? Let's break it down. Here are the 5 biggest reasons for gold's price rise. Central bank buying. Countries like India, China, and Turkey have been buying record amounts of gold, reducing reliance on the US dollar. Interest rate trends. If the US Fed Reserve starts cutting rates later this year, gold becomes more attractive because lower interest rates means cheaper money and lower bond yields. Inflation worries. Even though inflation is cooling, fear of long-term price rises keeps investors rushing towards gold as a safe hedge. Geopolitical tension. Wars, trade conflicts, and global uncertainties always push investors towards safer assets. Momentum and FOMO. Once gold breaks above $3,500, technical traders and retail investors will join the rush, fueling the rally further. Now let's talk about predictions and what major analysts are expecting. Goldman Sachs forecasts gold to hit around $4,000 per ounce by mid-2026. JP Morgan expects an average of $3,675 per ounce by late 2025. UPS recently raised its 2025 target to $3,800 per ounce. If these forecasts hold true, Indian gold prices could climb closer to 1 lakh rupees for 8 grams, especially if the rupee weakens and import demand stays strong. But hold on, gold isn't a one-way bet. There are risks you need to watch out for. If the US dollar strengthens again, gold could take a pullback. If inflation drops faster than expected or the Fed delays its rate cuts, prices might see a healthy correction. And sometimes, after huge rallies, investors take profits, causing temporary dips. So while the long-term story looks strong, don't be surprised if we see short-term volatility along the way. So the big question is, will gold rise further in 2025? And the answer is yes. With central banks actively buying and global uncertainties persisting, the demand for gold is not going to die anytime soon. So what would be the smart approach? When it comes to buying, timing matters. Buy gradually. Don't chase the peak and build your position over time, especially if you are investing for the long term or portfolio stability. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your gold price prediction in the comments section. Thanks for watching.